getSlopeLine. We want to write a method named getSlopeLine. We're adding it to our line class from our previous exercise. It can be found in the playlist below the like button. We want to return the slope of the line. So we have it like this right here. This is our equation. If it's undefined, we want to throw an IllegalStateException. So we also have, yeah, that's basically our condition. So let's code for it. If, remember, our x's are equal, this is when we throw our exception. So if our p1.x is equal to our p2.x, we are just going to throw a new, and then we'll have IllegalStateException, parentheses of course, and then we are going to end the line with a semicolon. Otherwise, we are going to want to return, and actually we can probably do this in one line, return our p, I think since we're doing y2 first, it'll be p2.y minus p1.y, that is my cat, and we'll divide it by a p2.x, and then minus p2 or p1.x. So that should cover everything. Let's end that. It's our if and our else. So let's press submit, and that should finish our getSlope method right here. And it doesn't, unfortunately. Let's look at this. Well, the issue seems to be that we want a double, but we're kind of rounding, so that means we have an int. And if you remember from the previous exercise, p1 and p2 are actually ints, not doubles. So what we're going to need to do is cast this. See if we can cast out here to be a double. So we'll do double like this, and double out here like this. So that should make both of these doubles, and then we divide it. That means we should get a double, and that passes 5 out of 5 tests. So that's how you'd go about getting the slope line 8.5 or 8.15 exercise.